The Milky Way galaxy, home to our solar system. It is believed our solar system formed at least 4.5 billion years ago, when a huge cloud of dust and gas collapsed into a dense mass. That mass began to rotate and flatten into a disk. Over time, the center grew hotter and hotter until finally a new star, our sun, was born. Leftover dust and gases continued to circle the sun and, over millions of years, cohered to form the planets and moons that make up our solar system. The sun is the center and foundation of our solar system. Its gravity holds everything together. It is so massive, it accounts for 99% of all the solar system's mass. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury, a relatively small planet known for extreme temperatures, above 400 degrees Celsius in the day and minus 150 degrees at night. Next is Venus, which is nearly identical to the Earth in terms of size, mass, and density. Its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, a gas that traps the sun's heat and raises the surface temperature to nearly 480 degrees Celsius. The planet is surrounded by clouds of sulfuric acid. The third planet is Earth, an active planet that's constantly engaged in change. More than 70% of its surface is covered by water. Earth is filled with life, something that so far has been found nowhere else. Just beyond Earth lies Mars, a dry planet with distinctive geographic features including red soil, canyons 4 times deeper than the Grand Canyon, and polar ice. Between Mars and the next planet is the asteroid belt. This is made up of millions of rocky fragments, most no more than a kilometer across. The fifth planet from the Sun is by far the largest. Jupiter, a gaseous giant big enough to hold over 1,300 Earths. Its great red spot alone, an awesome hurricane-like storm, is twice as wide as Earth. Saturn, the second largest planet, is next. It is famous for its massive rings of ice and ice-covered particles. Seventh from the Sun is Uranus, an intriguing planet which rotates on its side. It too has rings and at least 27 moons. Neptune, the 8th planet, is perhaps the windiest place in the solar system, with winds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Neptune marks the end of the planets, but not the end of the solar system. Farther on is former planet Pluto, more than 7 billion kilometers, 4.5 billion miles from the Sun. Pluto's small size posed a dilemma to astronomers, and in 2006 it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. As spectacular and diverse as our solar system is, it's just one in a galaxy of billions of stars, in a universe comprised of billions of galaxies.